Tesla's new chip will destroy China's monopoly over chip market. Technology's future is in the hands of the nation that produces the most cutting-edge chips, and Taiwan's chip fabrication foundries, fabs, are the best in the world. If China is able to successfully reunite the mainland and its rebel province, it will have an almost absolute monopoly on the world's most cutting-edge manufacturing facilities. It's understandable that the US administration would be concerned about Xi Jinping's intentions towards Taiwan. As a result, the United States has taken a number of measures in recent months to hinder China's efforts to produce cutting-edge semiconductors. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Engineering and financing new fabs are formidable obstacles. According to a recent report by Boston Consulting, the price tag of a modern chip manufacturing facility currently exceeds that of a nuclear power plant or a modern aircraft carrier. Fab 18, constructed in Taiwan to manufacture high-end semiconductors, set back the country by $17.5 billion. The US's two-pronged attack on China's future technology control first re-established the US's once dominant position in the worldwide chip fab business, which has decreased from 37% in 1990 to 12% currently. Vice President Biden signed the $52 billion Innovation and Competition Act last month to finance technological research and semiconductor manufacturing in the US. The EU has made similar remarks, but the US has prioritized this. Trump recognized and has been pursuing this policy, but Biden is championing it to halt the hollowing out of US industry. The new rule, backed by both parties, penalizes American companies that make strategic investments in China, especially in high-risk areas like semiconductor fabrication. Xi has pushed for a speedier digital economy, internet banking, AI, big data, and cloud computing regulations. The West's corporate sector is cognizant of the geopolitical repercussions of having so much fab capacity in Taiwan and supports America's goal to limit China's technical progress. Intel formerly dominated semiconductors but is recovering. In January, the business hired Apple's Mac system architecture leader to compete with M1 CPUs. Intel wants to lead the market in integrated design and production in 3 years. Intel's competitors include Apple, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. TSMC has 50% of the high-end semiconductor market and 92% of 5nm CPUs. Pat Gelsinger, Intel's new CEO, wants to develop contract chips. Arizona, Ohio, and Oregon are getting new Intel fabs. $80 billion might go to Ireland, Germany, and Italy. It was expensive. Intel's capabilities are questioned. The first half of the US plan is to duplicate or surpass China's state-funded high-tech model. The second component is more sinister. China wants to produce sophisticated chips, which include Samsung, in Korea. America wants to stop China from importing sophisticated chip-making equipment. Semiconductor production involves ultra-clean rooms, deposition coating, etching, ionization, and packaging. Lithography determines breakthroughs by printing electrical circuits on silicon wafers. Modern chips are 5nm. Hair measures 70,000 nanometers. One company can develop 5nm lithography equipment. ASML is a Dutch high-tech business in Eindhoven. After Shell, it's fourth in Europe. Modern equipment uses extreme UV lithography to make 13.5nm features. 50 $150 million machines are produced annually, not including the service contract. Now it's market dominant. The US has urged the Dutch authorities to prohibit this transfer since last month. The US urges the Dutch not to send obsolete equipment to China. Chip manufacture has improved during its 60-year existence. Intel predicts sub-nanometer chips in 2025. Etching must be enhanced to atomic widths. 1 by 10 billionth of a meter is an angstrom. Intel bought a $300 million ASML machine. So long as the Dutch play, the US will beat China in chips. Restricted, China may take over Taiwan's chip industry before US and EU. China will keep improving its technology. It claims to have constructed a 7nm device using last-generation lithography equipment, but experts doubt it can be harvested inexpensively. The American Semiconductor Industry Association claims China lacks modern technologies. China's science is world-class. UV methods may be replaced by X-rays, electron beams, ion beams, and nano-imprint lithography. China may beat us. The chip war and other technological disputes might have serious repercussions: deglobalization, the return to national interest, and autarky. is projected to impede world economic growth or make it worse since Deng Xiaoping's deregulation of the Chinese economy in the 1980s. Even if the US and China escape a global battle over chips, they will lose. We would like to hear from you in the comments below. Make sure you are subscribed along with turning on the notifications. Thanks for watching and hope to see you back in the following video.